SKZ1062A is divided into hardware installation and software installation. Hardware installation: 1 drain pipe, 1 inlet pipe and 1 water pump power cord on the right side of the instrument. The water pump line and water inlet pipe are directly put into the clear water bucket. The black rubber ball on the water inlet pipe is used for exhausting air. Put the drain pipe into the waste bucket. Power line is on the left and the other is the instrument communication line. It is divided into 2 ports, A and B, and the ports are not distinguished in sequence. The other end of the communication line is connected to the USB interface of the computer host. Hardware installation completed. Software installation: E. SoftDog inserted into the computer host USB interface. R. Plug in the USB disk to computer host. It has the installation software inside. After that, open all the files in the U disk and copy them to the newly created folder on the computer hard disk. Open the software, click the main program, click the right mouse button and send it to the desktop shortcut. As follows: software shortcuts appear on computer desktops. Install data cable driver. Click this computer. Right-click Management. Click Device Manager to find the corresponding 2 ports. If 2 yellow exclamation marks are displayed to prove that there is no installation, right-click to update the driver, click Browse, and then click Browse on the right. To find the corresponding port in the USB driver folder in the USB disk, click Next to install 3 times. Software installation complete.